Whether in New York, Mumbai, or Greenwich, transportation is critical to a settlement. Public transit provides mobility to citizens of all abilities and backgrounds. It connects people, provides freedom, and creates opportunity for growth and development. Easily accessible, comprehensive, and integrated transit services are essential to a town of 60,000 like Greenwich. Recreation,
That could be it. That's the one. Yeah, nice job, Hudson.
businesses, the environment, and so much more require a solid transportation system. Less cars on the road means less traffic, more parking, and fewer emissions. In other words, the only person not riding public transit hurts is you. Currently, passenger cars are the most heavily utilized and common forms of transportation in Greenwich, besides walking or biking for shorter distances. Many of those who only ride cars, walk, or bike are not aware of the transit services offered in Greenwich. These services are mainly bus and shuttle services, namely CT Transit, Norwalk Transit District, or NTD for short, and the Transportation Association of Greenwich, better known as TAG. All of these services offer spectacular coverage of the abundant amount of train stations in Greenwich. CT Transit is a public transit provider operated by the state of Connecticut, offering routes throughout most of Connecticut with 5 main routes in Greenwich. An example of one of these routes is Bus 311. By riding this bus, a rider would be able to travel from East Putnam to Greenwich High School to Greenwich Avenue back to East Putnam. By taking this route, a student, for example, would be able to get from their home to school, then after school go shopping at Greenwich Avenue, then finally go home. This is just one of the 5 routes completely covering the student's transit for the day.
The one thing I'm impressed with the Connecticut line is that there's a lot of bus stops for them. I see there's a lot of, the routes are very integrated, and I see that you can kind of pretty much take a bus anywhere.
The NTD is the main provider of transit in Norwalk, but, contrary to popular belief, also operates 2 little-known routes in Greenwich. These routes are called the Central Loop and the West Loop, and provide solutions not offered by CT Transit. When put together, these agencies offer solutions to the general public on the vast majority of major roads in Greenwich. TAG, on the other hand, offers service to a slightly different demographic.
TAG was founded about 30 years ago. Our mission is to service seniors and disabled of all ages, to treat everyone with the respect that they deserve, and to help them in any way that we can.
Another critical service TAG provides is a Safe Ride service.
Safe Rides was started many years ago by the American Red Cross, and we service students. Anyone who is out on those evenings for whatever reason and finds them in any kind of situation, they're at a friend's house, they're at a party, whatever the reason being that they feel they need a safe ride home, they can call us here at the office. It's completely anonymous. All they need to do is give us an address, and then we will go and pick them up and deliver them home safely.
So, with all these amazing services, what's the catch? People don't use them. Riders seemingly won't ride unless services are marketed, the routes are expanded even further, or if somebody else does it first, breaking the social sigma and allowing for word of mouth. As it stands, the current transportation system of Greenwich is in a chicken and egg situation. Without adequate marketing or information distribution, the people of Greenwich will not make full use of their transportation systems. Without a substantial amount of riders, the NTD, CT Transit, and TAG don't see the need to pour more money into their services for marketing or expansion, which leaves us here today. TAG has recognized the problem and is aiming to combat the issue with their up-and-coming and in-development mobile app. The idea of the app is to create an easy place for students to reach Safe Rides services safely and easily. The only way to increase utilization of Greenwich's transportation services is through maximizing public awareness. TAG's current mobile app initiative is a step in the right direction, but isn't enough. All Greenwich transportation providers, from TAG to NTD to CT Transit, must follow TAG's lead and step up their game when it comes to publicity, marketing, and usability of their services. Even though transportation may not be perfect in Greenwich, it is a lot better than it may seem. Our team set out to improve transportation in Greenwich and found that the most prominent issue was not that the services don't exist, but that people are unaware that in fact they do. So then, it is up to you as a rider to use the available services in Greenwich to their full potential. It is up to you to ease traffic, create more parking spots, and cause less damage to the environment, and it's only a few stops away.